What's going on? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So today we're diving into the age-old debate that's torn friendships apart, driven photographers to existential crisis, and maybe, just maybe, made some of you blow your life savings on gear. So on one hand, we have the pro camera body. Full frame, 50 bajillion megapixels. It's like the Iron Man suit for photographers. You feel invincible until you realize you have no lenses to go with it. That's like buying a Ferrari, but forgetting it doesn't come with wheels. Then on the other hand, we have the pro lens. Sharpness that cuts through the air, bokeh that'll make you weep. It's got more glass in it than your living room window. But there's a catch. You slap it on your starter DSLR, yeah, it's like putting jet fuel in your old Honda Civic. Not exactly gonna fly. So, which is more important? The camera body or the lens? Well, my friends, I hate to break it to you, but it's not that simple. I kinda wish it was, but it's not. It's like asking what's more important, pizza or the toppings? I mean, what's a pizza without cheese or pepperoni? Or dare I say it, pineapple. Now, if you've got the budget of a small country and can afford both, that's the dream. But for most of us mere mortals, we gotta choose. So let's start with the pro body. Why do people love it? Well, because it's a beast. Fast autofocus, insane dynamic range, it shoots 4K like it's making a Hollywood film. It has more buttons than you'll ever figure out how to use, but the kicker, if you slap a kit lens on it, it's like putting a 50-cent coffee filter on a $2,000 espresso machine. You still get decent coffee, but it's no triple shot macchiato from Italy, you know? Flip side though, the pro lens, and this is where the magic happens. This is your light, your image sharpness, your soul. If your camera body is the chef, the lens is the gourmet ingredients. Even on a mid-range body, a great lens will take your shots from meh to holy shit. But hold up. Before you go running off to sell your kidneys for that $3,000 lens, remember this. A pro lens can't fix everything. If your camera body has the processing power of, say, a potato, even the sharpest, most expensive lens can't save you. So here's a tip. Go with balance. If your camera body is already pretty solid, which pretty much these days, even lower end mirrorless cameras are pretty sweet, invest in the glass. Great glass will last you years, maybe even decades, and it'll be a game changer. But if you're still shooting on a camera that takes AA batteries or has the autofocus speed of a turtle, then yeah, maybe it's time for a new body. Because let's face it, at the end of the day, you don't want your gear holding you back from capturing all those epic moments. So go ahead and chime in down in the comments. What are you upgrading next? Body or lens? And I swear, if you say both, I'm coming over for pizza because you're clearly rich and I want in on that action. So that's gonna do it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure and smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell to be notified of when a new video comes out. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my brand new Lightroom presets pack. Features 13 presets that I use in all my projects for only $10. And until next time, get out and shoot, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.